Breaking, Galaxy S10 Android 11 One UI 3.0 update is now live. Galaxy S10 Android 11 One UI 3.0 update is now live. It's taken a little longer than Galaxy S10 owners would have liked, but the stable Android 11-based One UI 3.0 update has finally been released for Samsung first flagships with a punch-hole display. As pointed out to us by one of our readers, the update is rolling out for the Galaxy S10e and the Galaxy S10 5G in Switzerland at this time, but it shouldn't be long before the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus join in on the fun. How long until beta users can download the Android 11 update? It should be noted that those who enrolled in the Galaxy S10 One UI 3.0 beta program might not necessarily get the stable update today, or even sometime later this week. Beta testers using a Galaxy Note 20/Note 20 Ultra, for example, got the stable update a few days after those on Android 10/One UI 2.5, and the same might be true for the Galaxy S10 lineup. It may also take a week or two before the Galaxy S10 Android 11 rollout goes properly global. If you own a Galaxy S10 series phone, you can check if the update is available by tapping the Download and Install option in the Settings Software Update menu on the device. The full firmware files for all countries where the update goes live will be downloadable from our archives and can be used for manually upgrading to Android 11 using a Windows PC. Update not yet available for you? While you wait, check out what new features and changes you can expect in Android 11 and One UI 3.0. You might also want to back up all the important data on your phone in the meantime, which is a good practice to follow before you install a major OS upgrade.